Welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to repair a diamond-cut alloy wheel with curb rash using simple tools. This method is perfect for light to moderate cosmetic damage and can save you hundreds compared to professional refinishing. Step 1. Remove the damage. Start by sanding the damaged area with 180 piso grit. This removes the curb rash and levels the damaged aluminum. Take your time and only remove as much material as necessary. Step 2. Refine the surface. Once the damage has been removed, switch to 320 piso grit to eliminate the deeper sanding scratches left by the 180 piso paper. This repair method is designed for cosmetic curb rash on diamond-cut wheels. If the damage is too deep, the correct repair is to weld the wheel and machine it again on a lathe. For most minor curb rash, however, this DIY method can produce an excellent result while saving a significant amount of money. Step 3. Continue sanding. Now continue sanding with progressively finer grits. Each step removes the scratches from the previous grit and brings the aluminum closer to its original finish. The sanding sequence used in this repair: 800 piso, P1500, 3000 piso. Don't skip grits, as every sanding step is important for achieving a smooth finish. Step 4. Polish the aluminum. After sanding with P3000, polish the bare aluminum using a polishing compound and a polishing pad. This restores the shine and gives the wheel its diamond-cut appearance. Step 5. Apply clear coat. Once the surface is perfectly clean, apply a thin layer of 2K clear coat using a soft applicator pad or cloth. This protects the polished aluminum from oxidation and helps maintain the finish. Final result. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.